Hola, good morning. I definitely slept well because I'm up pretty late. Let's get this day, rude boy. Actually dry. Welcome to the hostel casting sofa. Plan today, Rado del Caldio, the lighthouse down a cliff. Pretty cool, but my knee this morning has left the chat. There's another spot, which is another large lighthouse, but it's on top of the cliff. But those are the only things I really want to hit up today. Otherwise, it's on to the homestay.
Lastly, let's not forget these adorable kittens.
Fairly chill day, I think. Oh, don't be sick. It's a shop, Bredo's, toothpaste. I can't believe I'm only saying that I need toothpaste now. I may get some fruit, so I fancy a smoothie today. Fresh, warm croissant. Croissant. Boom. Look at this, guys. Look at this bad boy. Oh, I'm full. All done there. Clean and baguette. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! I finally got toothpaste. So it's called the Atalaya.
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 La.
Ya.
Atalaya.
Bye. God, I love the people here. See you. God, everyone's so nice here. Everyone is so nice. I love this place. Like off camera, I've had some really good chats with some really nice people here, and it's definitely boosted me. Nice bike.
Thank you. I saw these houses and had to stop and take a look.
We got a bit of a hike then, lads. All the way, more or less up there. Knee's not hurting too much. Carry my water, and I'm gonna have to carry my camera case. Yeah, I can't really think of any way around that. Adventure hike high. In 3, 2, 1. Also, look. I took the camera out, put the water bottle in the bag. Now I got a hands free. Oh, I have no idea how long this hike's gonna take. My cardio fucking sucks, I admit it. I have no idea what I'm really gonna see. Very horny goats up ahead. I hope it's worth logging all this camera gear around. Also, that is a fucking noisy cow. This kind of feels a bit illegal, drinking a water bottle out of a camera case. Mate. Not too sure. Ow. Oh, bang my toe. Be brave. No idea. Very eerie. Oh, there's a sign. Can I read any of it? No. I can see some very horny goats up ahead. That's impressive. He's got look up. Ah, civilization. We're here. And we want to go over here. Oof. There we go. This is the start of the steps. Okay, I think I'm about halfway, but I'm going to see if I can get up this thing here. Get around this and see actually where this fucker is. That is so far down, guys. I think I may just fly from here. Fuck it. I'm too hungry to go all the way down and come back up. survived. Not gonna lie guys, that was actually like being at this height on this edge and then fly my drone out of sight and down somewhere where any mistake, you know, I've lost it. Man, all that's still to go. My cardio fucking sucks, I admit it. I've got one sip of water left. We're getting back into civilization now. Pretty sure I started here, came up to the top of this, but then I came down this way and then up to here, and then that's what I did. I've come all the way down and now we got to go up here, and I'm just praying I find some water. Oh fuck. I think is this the road I got to go up? Oh, it's so fucking steep. Yes, that's the road I got to go up, but I've just seen water. God, I think this is probably one of my favourite things about Spain so far, is that they have these water dispensers everywhere. Got the tunes on. Oh, please say this works. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's better. That is much better. If there's any form of walking I've got to do for this next lighthouse, it's not happening. I'm just going to fly the drone there again. You guys must think I'm so lazy. Oh my god. I can hear the cows again. All my stuff's still there as well. What's up? Like egg? That's my food. Give me a second. The cat likes egg. Don't be sick. Oh, for fuck's sake. I knew you'd ate too fast. You're cut off now. Honestly, what a great little shit. Oh, you're a nice kitten, you know? Ah! Red will fill you up. Actually, I think I'm going to call you Eggy. Look at this. Look at that. That's such a good picture of you.
God damn, that's a hungry cat. Let's get packed up and on to the next lighthouse.
Only a short hop over to the next stop. I do need to be careful on time. That hike was long as fuck. Let's say hello to everyone. See you later, Eggy. Mwah. Don't tell my other cats. I have a feeling, Eggy, you're going to run away any second now. Love you. Well, I'm here, but the gate's locked. I think there's a way down over there. It's not much going on out here. Just had a look where the homestay is, and we are ouch, was saying I'm gonna get there at 9:30, and I said I was gonna be there between 7 and 8. I don't have any internet to message them, so it is what it is. There's a bar in the service station.
After 2 days of waiting, I'm finally about to find out what I'm actually signed up for.
Hola. Gracias.
Fuck me, this was such a long journey, and I can't believe how hilly this is getting.
Here we are. Ooh, someone's coming. Hello! How are we doing?
Fine, and you?
So, made it to the homestay. I think there's 8 kittens. Look, they're everywhere. 3 dogs, 5 chickens.
You don't have enough cats if you know how many cats you have.
Man, this is gonna be fun.